How many kilometers from Washington DC to Miami Beach? How many kilometers from Washington DC to Miami Beach?
I am the answer. Kilometers and kilometers. In these days of degenerating decencies of Miami Beach to Washington, when diplomacy and duplicity become interchangeable terms from complicated America to America.
Stop it! See, uncle, അമേരിക്കയിൽ പോയി എന്ന് അവകാശപ്പെടുന്ന ഇവന് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് ഗ്രാമർ പോലും അറിയില്ല. He doesn't know the basics of English grammar.
American grammar illade. You talk too much. I'll kick your face and get out. You talking nonsense in the house of my wife, mother and father. Uncle, send him out. Outhouse, go away.
Go away, stupid. In the house of my wife and daughter, you will not see any minute of the today. ഇറങ്ങി പോടാ.
അവനെ പറഞ്ഞു വിടണ്ട. അവൻ ഔട്ട് ഹൗസിൽ താമസിക്കണം. No sorry of the excuse, believe.
Get out house.